You know, I don't know about y'all, but by the time Christmas rolls around, I am purely dog turkeyed and hammed out. Well, I'm just starving for a piece of succulent beef by the time Christmas gets here. And this is one of the easiest ways, the most foolproof recipe that you can use. We're gonna start with a 6-pound standing rib roast, bone in, because actually this is my favorite part. I love gnawing around these wonderfully moist, fatty bones. So simple. All we're gonna do is rub this boy down with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And don't be shy, because this seasoning is gonna make like a crust on him. Now you can be creative when you're doing this roast, and you can actually use whatever you want to on it. We could actually make slits in him and put in some fresh garlic if you like, or stick in some fresh herbs. But I love the taste of just pure beef. I don't want any other flavors pouring in on my beef. I just associate rib roast with Christmas, and I've been cooking them for years. But when I was first married, we were doing good to buy hamburger meat. This is a little bit on the pricey side, but thank goodness now I can actually afford me a good standing rib. So we've got him all ready, and all we're gonna do is put him on a pan with a rack. We're gonna put him in a 375-degree oven, let him cook for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna shut off the temperature and let him rest probably for about 3 hours. An hour before I need him, I'm gonna turn the oven back on to 375, let him cook for about 45 minutes, take him out of the oven, let him sit up on the counter and rest for 10 minutes, and then we're ready to eat the most wonderful, scrumptious prime rib roast you have ever wrapped your lips around. I'm gonna find a little hidden spot to cut off because I've got to taste it. I got to make sure it's good enough for the family, don't I? It's out of this world. Look at that succulent prime rib. I can't resist every Christmas pulling out old photographs of my children. We've all taken our kids to the department stores and had their picture made with Santa. And Jamie and Bobby would probably never admit, but they really get a kick out of me putting these out and them looking at them and reminiscing. This is my boys with their great-grandmother Paula. And this is my boys now. I have different ornaments of my children. This is probably one of my favorites. It's of Jamie and Bobby on Christmas Eve. Bobby was probably 8 or 9 months old, and Jamie was 3 years old. And Bobby actually looks like he had been in the eggnog. He looks half snockered. So that's awfully fun for me. And that way that helps me keep these big old boys young in my memories. I think I hear all my kids coming in. They're gonna be hungry and wanting to eat in a minute, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye. And until next time, America, Merry Christmas and best dishes from my table to yours.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.